Good morning, class. This is lecture number 5, chapter number 6. Chapter number 5th. Today we are going to discuss the exercise 5C. Okay. So let us start with the question number first. Question number first is totally based on the LCM. Okay. We have to add or subtract in this question. So question number one, first to fifth part. We have to directly add because the LCM is same in all these questions. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 is 3 by 5. Similarly, you have to do in 1 to 5. Okay. In part 6, we have the same LCM. Just we have to, in 6 part we have, question is 21 upon 43 minus 19 upon 43. It means we have to subtract 21 minus 19, that is 2 by 43. So this will be our answer. Okay. Now in question number 7, we have 1 minus 9 by 10. 1, we have to take LCM. If you take LCM of 1, that is, it will 1 by 1 and we have to multiply 1 with 10. So it become 10 by 10 minus 9 by 10. 10 by 10 minus 9 by 10, that will be 1 by 10 is the answer. Okay. Now similarly you have to use the same procedure in 8th part, 9th, 10th as well as in 11th. We will discuss 11th part. In 11th part we have 11 to 7. Okay. LCM is 7. 11 upon 25, 2 upon 25 plus 7 upon 25. Just we have to add all these numbers. 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 7, 20, 20 upon 25. Just divide both the number with the common digit, that will be 5. 5 4 is 20 and 5 5 is 25. That will be the simplification. Okay. We have to divide both the number in as numerator as well as denominator by a common digit, a common number. That will be 5 here because 5 4 is 20. Because 20 and 25 both are in the table of 5, so we have to divide both the number by 5. 5 4 is 20 and 5 5 is 25. So 4 upon 5 is the answer. In question number 2, we have to take, first of all we have to change the improper fraction in mixed fraction in improper fraction. Okay. Then you have to use the LCM method for either subtraction or addition of number. Okay. So question number question number 2. First part, we will discuss second part. Okay. 9 9 by 14. 9 9 by 14 minus 5 3 by 14. Okay. First of all, you have to change it. 14 and 126. 126 plus 9. That is 135. Okay. Upon 14. Now 14 5 is 70. 70 plus 3, 73 upon 14. Just now simplify this. Okay. 5 minus 3, 2 and 13 minus 62 upon 14. Now we have to simplify this number also because these two, both the number are divisible by 2. So 2 31 times and 2 7 are. So 31 upon 7 is the answer. If you have to change this number into improper fraction, in mixed fraction, so we have to change it. Okay, this is the change of this fraction. So our answer is 4 whole 3 by 7. Similarly, you have to apply the same procedure with question number 1st, question number 3rd and 4th. Okay, this will be your homework. Now question number 3rd. First question, first part. The LCM is 14, so we have to multiply in the first number by 2 in numerator and denominator. Second part, again multiply by 2. In third part, we have 1 by 6 and 7 by 9. Sorry for the inconvenience because I have sore throat. Okay. 1 by 6 plus 7 by 9. In question number third part. First of all, we have to take LCM. LCM of 6 and 9 is directly 54 because 6 times are 54, because there is no common, or either we can say that 6 and 9 there is no common multiple. Okay, so we have to just multiply both the number 54. Okay, if we have to check out that how we have to multiply 6 into 9, that is 54, and here 9 into 6, so we have to multiply 7 into 6 and here 1 into 9. So answer is 9 upon 54 plus 42 upon 54. 42 plus 9 is 51 upon 54 is the answer. Now we have to simplify this number by dividing both the number with a common digit, that is 3. 3 7 is 51 and 3 18 is 54. So our answer is 17 upon 18. You have to remember the tables, okay, so that the answer will be easy. Now we will discuss sixth part, 7 by 12 minus 1 by 4, or fifth part. Okay, fifth part, 7 by 8 minus 2 by 3, that is fifth part. Okay, the LCM of both the number is 24. We have to multiply 8 with 3 and 3 with 8 because there is no common multiple. Okay, so 7 into 3 minus 2 into 8. So 7 3 are 21 upon 24 minus 16 upon 24. So answer is 5 upon 24. Now we will discuss the last part, that is 7 by 12 minus 1 by 2. 7 by 12 minus 1 by 2. Okay, here we know that 12 is the multiple of 12 as well as 2. So we don't have to multiply with the first number, and just multiply second number with 6 in numerator and as well as denominator. Okay, so it becomes 6 by 12. 7 by 12 minus 6 by 12. So answer is 1 by 12. Okay, rest of the part are your homework. Next we have fourth question. In fourth question you have to, first of all you have to change the mixed fraction in improper fraction, then you have to follow the same method to solve the problem. Okay, so question number 4 is your homework. Question number 5th. first part. Seven by 10 plus 8 by 9 plus 16 by 15, and second part is 1 by 8 plus 3 by 10 minus 1 by 4. Okay. Okay, first of all we have to find out the LCM of these three numbers, 10, 9 and 15. Okay, LCM of 10 and 15, that is 30, because 30 is the divisor. 30 is divisor of both the number. Okay, now you have to find out 30 and 9. Okay, which one is common? I think very easy, because first one is 90. Okay, so the LCM of these three numbers, similarly you have to find out the LCM. I think LCM is easy to find out. Okay, if any student have any problem in solving this type of question, so first find out the LCM. Okay, LCM of 10, 9 and 15 is 90. Okay, so 90 means we have to multiply 10 with 9 plus 9 with 10 plus 15 with 6. Similarly, we have to multiply in numerator 7 into 9, 8 into 10 and 16 into 6. Okay, 7 9 is 63 plus 8 into 10 80 plus 16 into 6 96. Okay, if you have remembered the table, then the calculation is very easy. Okay, LCM of these three numbers is 90. So in denominator you have 90. Now you have to add 63 plus 80 plus 96. It become 239. 239 upon 90. Now we have to change this in the form of mixed fraction. Okay, so 19 to 2, that is 180, and rest of the number is 59. Okay, I think you have idea about how to change. Just divide 90 divide 239 by 90. 90 to 2, that is 180, and then 59. So 2 whole 59 upon 90 is done. Okay. Now the next question here. First of all, if you have a bracket, then first of all you have to solve the bracket. Okay, then rest of the problem. Now here we have 8 and 20. LCM is 40 because 8 5 is 40. So 8 into 5 and 10 4 is 40 means 10 into 4. Okay. Now 3 into 4 and here 1 into 5. So 5 upon 40 plus 12 upon 40. It means it becomes 17 by 40. Now minus 1. Now you have to remove the bracket because you have solved this. So this becomes 17 upon 40. Now you have to remove the bracket. So now 1 by 4. Take LCM of both the number. 40. You have to multiply the both numerator and denominator by 10. So 17 minus 10 upon 40. It means 7 by 40 is the answer. Similarly, you have to solve the third problem. Okay, now still question number 6 is your homework. Similarly, you have to follow the same procedure. Question number 7. If you remember, I had already discussed about this. How we have to compare these two numbers. Okay, just by taking the LCM of both of the number. First of all, we have to change the mixed fraction in the improper fraction. 5 to the 15 plus 2. That is 17 upon 3. And this will be 4 to 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3 is 15 upon 4. LCM of 3 upon 4 is 12. It means we have to multiply this number by 4. 17 into 4. And here we have to multiply by 3. 15 into 3 upon 4 into 3. So that the LCM is 12. And here we have 15 to 3, that is 45. Now we have 68 upon 12. So the first one is greater than second one. So we can say that, we can say 5 whole 2 by 3 is greater than 3 whole 3 by 4. Very easy question. Now question number 8. What should be added to 8 whole 3 by 7 to get? Okay. Student, we have 8 whole 3 by 7 to get 11 whole 11 by 14. Okay, we have to add in this number. Okay, so that we will get this number. So we have to add x here. Okay, हमको इस number पे add करना है x. Let us suppose we have to add x so that the answer will be this. Now, first of all, change this number as 7. It's a 56 plus 3. 59 upon 7 plus x equal to 11 14. 11 14 is 154. 154 plus, that is 165 upon 14. Okay. I always said about that you have to remember the tables. Okay. Now you have to just subtract this number with this. 165 upon 14. Now this will become minus 59 upon 7. So LCM of 7 and 14 is 14 because 14 is the multiple of 14 as well as 7. So we have to multiply 2 here. So it becomes 165 upon 14 minus 118 upon 14. 65 minus 18. It means it is 47 upon 14. Okay, x will become 47 upon 14. It means 3 whole 5 by 14 is the answer. Okay. I will repeat again. First of all, we have a given number and we have to add something. so that we will get 11 whole 11 by 14. Let us, we have to add x. So 15 by 59 by 7 plus x will become this. So we have to subtract this number by using the conventional method. Okay, x is this and take LCM, then subtract. Now last one is the method. We have to change this number in the improper fraction. Similarly, question number 9 is your homework. What must be subtracted from 5 whole 1 by 6 to get this? Okay, instead of that we have 5 whole 1 by 6 and what we have to subtract means x. Okay, this is the solution of question number 8 and our answer is 2 11 by 8. Sorry, question number 9. Okay. Okay, thanks so much. We will discuss the exercise 5D in next lecture.